Okay, good morning, everyone. Today we are going to continue with our chapter number 2, bringing up Carrie of your book An Alien Hand. Yesterday we read that author and his elephant, they are brought up together. The elephant was quite young when it was given to the author, and they spent their childhood together. The author spent a lot of time with his elephant, and he also witnessed his mischievous activities. And he was the one who taught elephant the good manners. And now in today's lecture, we'll read that there are commands which are taught to elephant, and those commands are very important for an elephant to learn. So starting from page number 12, it is Carrie learned Mali after 3 lessons, but it took him 3 weeks to learn that. He was no good at sitting down. So the two commands which the author talks about are Mali and Dhat. Mali is the command which is given to an elephant when we want him to walk. The author says that for Mali, he took 3 lessons and it took him 3 weeks to learn the command that he was no good at sitting down because elephant was not good at sitting down. And do you know why an elephant should be taught to sit down? क्या आपको पता है कि elephant को क्यों सिखानी चाहिए? Why is it important to teach this command to sit down to an elephant? Because he grows taller and taller than you, who take care of him, so that when he is 2 or 3 years old, you can only reach his back with a ladder. It is very important to teach the command to sit down because the elephant is taller than a human being. And as he grows up to 2 or 3 years, you need a ladder. A human being, a person needs a ladder to reach up to his back. It is therefore better to teach him to sit down by saying dhat so that you can climb upon his back. For who would want to carry a ladder around all the time? So it is an important command for an elephant to learn to sit down because it makes easy for a person to climb up his back, and it is not possible to carry the ladder everywhere to climb to the elephant's back. The most difficult thing to teach an elephant is the master call. Now the next command which the author is talking about is master call, and it is the most difficult thing to teach an elephant. He generally takes 5 years to learn it properly. How much time does an elephant take to learn the master call? That is almost 5 years. The master call is a strange hissing howling sound, as if a snake and a tiger were fighting each other. अब master call क्या है? Master call एक strange hissing and howling sound है, जैसे कि एक टाइगर और स्नेक आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ लड़ रहे हों, बिकॉज स्नेक हिस करता है एंड टाइगर्स हाउल, तो ये एक स्ट्रेंज हिसिंग एंड हाउलिंग साउंड है. And you have to make that kind of noise in his ear, and that kind of call, that kind of sound is to be made in an elephant's ear to make him learn the master call. And do you know what you expect an elephant to do when you give him the master call? और क्या आपको पता है कि जब आप किसी एलिफेंट को मास्टर कॉल देते हैं तो what do you expect from that elephant means how does the elephant react when he hears the master call? If you are lost in the jungle and there is no way out, and everything is black except the stars above, and you dare not stay very long anywhere, the only thing to do then is to give the master call, and at once the elephant pulls down the trees in front of him with his trunk. सो अगर आप किसी ऐसी जगह पे हैं दैट यू आर लॉस्ट इन द जंगल और आपको कोई रास्ता नहीं दिख रहा एंड देर इज नो वे आउट मीन्स बाहर आने के लिए कोई रास्ता नहीं है, एंड एवरीथिंग इज ब्लैक एक्सेप्ट द स्टार्स अबव, और सब तरफ अंधेरा है and you can see only stars in the sky, you dare not stay very long anywhere. और इस तरह के माहौल में where there is darkness all around, you are alone, you are not able to find the way out, then you don't want to stay in that place for very long. The only thing to do then is to give a master call. फिर उस आपके पास क्या ऑप्शन है कि आप एक बार मास्टर कॉल दें, and once the elephant at at once the elephant pulls down the trees in front of him with his trunk. And as soon as the elephant hears the master call, he pulls down all the trees in front of him with his trunk. दिस फ्राइटन्स ऑल द एनिमल्स। अब उसका जो ये जो एक्ट है एलिफेंट का ट्रीज को पुल करने का, व्हाट विल इट डू, that it will scare all the other animals in the jungle. As the tree comes crashing down, the monkeys wake up from their sleep and run from branch to branch. और जैसे ही ट्री गिरेगा क्या होगा, जो monkeys branches पे सो रहे हैं वो उठ जाएंगे और इधर उधर भागना शुरू कर देंगे, राइट। यू कैन सी देम इन द मूनलाइट, और आप उनको मूनलाइट में देख सकते हैं। एंड यू कैन ऑलमोस्ट सी द स्टैग्स रनिंग इन ऑल डायरेक्शंस बिलो, और आप हर जगह स्टैग्स को भी इधर उधर भागते हुए देख सकते हैं। यू कैन हियर द ग्राउल ऑफ द टाइगर इन द डिस्टेंस, और आप एक दूरी से टाइगर के भी ग्राउल करने की आवाज सुन सकते हैं। इवन इफ even he is frightened, कौन frightened है, even the tiger is also frightened at that time. Then the elephant pulls down the next tree and the next and the next, और फिर एलिफेंट एक एक करके उसके रास्ते में आने वाले सारे ट्रीज को पुल डाउन करता है। सून यू विल फाइंड दैट ही हैज मेड अ रोड राइट थ्रू द जंगल स्ट्रेट टू योर हाउस। और आप क्या रियलाइज करते हैं कि एलिफेंट ने स्ट्रेट मेड हिज वे, उसने रास्ता बना दिया है कहाँ से, उस जंगल से लेके सीधा आप मेन रोड तक पहुंचने के लिए। सो ऑल जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ वन मास्टर कॉल, दैट एलिफेंट can find a way for you when you are lost in a jungle. So as he starts pulling down the trees, there is disturbance in the jungle, you are not all alone, all the birds and animals are also scared, and the elephant pulls out the trees and makes the way for you. This is what a master call does. I hope this chapter is clear to you all.